Hey guys, Canadian Pyro. So for today's video, we've got a 9-shot cake. This one has quite a bit of weight to it. It does have a big concrete plug in there though to kind of help weigh it down so it doesn't tip over on you. It is by Powerhouse fireworks. I've never set this one off. 9 shots, 5 shots of exploded white flash stars, and 4 shots of blue palm. So yeah, should be pretty good. Decent bore on there, and these shells are pretty full. Yeah, let's go test it out. Troublemaker. Thanks for watching, guys.